What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So we got some exciting news happening with SHIB, just giving us some confidence to be able to hold on to our positions even longer. So Shiba Inu retail holders buying up recent SHIB price drop, data shows. Now remember, I told y'all that exactly where we seen the price pull back to right now, the 1300 level when it comes to SHIB, is where I seen it pulling back. Using technical analysis, I prepared y'all for this dip, so no one should be panicking. If anything, you could be using this as an opportunity to buy more. Now remember, this is never financial advice. Do what's best for you. I'm just saying, because the price could always pull back further, but it is looking like it wants to turn around at this point. Remember, at the bottom of a downtrend, once we see this doji candle here forming, that lets us know that the price is soon to turn around. Doesn't mean it's 100% guaranteed, but it is likely to. Now let's take a look at this article here. Shiba Inu was also on the red again on Friday after 3 days of consecutive losses. The loss followed profit taking by large SHIB token holders as the crypto market turned risk off. So here's a post by Sentiment Feed. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have both experienced major price corrections after their respective Tuesday and Sunday tops. As is often the case, the whales foreshadowed the ideal profit-taking moments when their large transactions exploded on each network. So here you can take a look at Shiba Inu 100K transactions correlating with the top of the price, and the same thing for Dogecoin, which basically means most people, once they reach that high that we've seen at the 17 level for SHIB, the largest transactions of 100K or more, that's when they took place. So basically whales understood where to take profit. Go back to maybe 3 or 4 Shiba Inu videos ago that I dropped when I told y'all that the price was about to break out to the 1700. I also stated that people were likely to take profit at that point. These are the people who I'm talking about, the people that have significant bag 6 figures. They will take profit around that area, because you got to think about it. If you just gained 40% in after my video the next 2 to 3 days, and you just gain 40% on 100K, that is $40,000 profit. Some people are trading, they're traders, they're not long-term investors, so that is enough profit for them to take that home. So according to on-chain data, several wallets with significant holdings have been reducing their SHIB positions recently, possibly due to profit taking. The main culprits here seem to be the investors who, according to Into the Block, are addresses that own between 0.1% and 1% of the SHIB circulating supply. The Shiba Inu circulating supply is around 549 billion. This metric, actually that should be trillion. This metric indicates, is that billion? Yeah, that's trillion. It should be trillion. So this metric addresses that hold a reasonably large position in this crypto. Into the Block provides a distinction between this category and whales, which are addresses that hold more than 1% of Shiba Inu circulating supply and are thus investors. Meanwhile, retail refers to any addresses aside from these two. Using the ownership indicator from Into the Block, the last few days of the Shiba Inu price drop have seen a shift towards retail addresses. On August 14th, the day Shiba Inu's price surged a whopping 36%, retail addresses held a balance of 188.87 trillion SHIB, while 114.3 trillion was held by investor category, and whales held 680 trillion SHIB. So I'm not sure how they're getting these numbers. On August 18th, when Shiba Inu's price fell further, retail now held a balance of 190 trillion SHIB, marking an increase of over 2 trillion SHIB for this category of holders. The balance held by investors was 112.7 trillion SHIB, a decrease of over 2 trillion SHIB, while whales held a slightly higher balance of 680.5 trillion SHIB. This demonstrates that the Shiba Inu being dumped by the large holders or investors have been picked up by small holders or retail addresses who scooped up the dip. So congratulations to those that aren't afraid of the dip. Y'all stepping out there, using this information to be better informed investors. It will pay off. Once this bull market returns, it's going to be ridiculous if you ask me. This is not financial advice. Remember, crypto is highly speculative, highly volatile. It could take some time to play out, but I've been around the block a few times long enough to know that it will go back to all-time highs, and the people who are accumulating now are going to be extremely happy that they did. Don't say, I didn't tell you, but don't come crying to me. Don't risk more than you're willing to lose. Don't go put in mortgage money. Don't go kids college fund money. Be smart with this. Dollar cost average into the positions. Load up on the days where we're seeing significant discounts, like how we see today. 6.9%. I like to wait for a 10% or more. I'm really pulling the trigger at 15%, but I like to see at least a 10% discount. But we expected this pullback here, so let's look at the overall market. Down 7.9%. Very big pullback overall, so everything is down. Bitcoin down 9.2% at 21,250. Ethereum down 10% on the day at 1686. We got BNB down to 284, down 6.3%. We got XRP down to 34 cents, down 10% on the day. So we're seeing massive discounts across the market today. Right now, you should absolutely have that savers card out and trying to take advantage of some of these prices. Cardano 46 cents, 13%. Think about it. As soon as the price flips back, that's an easy 15 to 30% gain once we get a return from where we are right now back to base level, and then an extra 15% above that. Easy money right there, y'all. Just don't be afraid of the dip. Dogecoin back to 6 cents, down 11%. Solana $36.73, down 10.3%. Cardano at 46 cents, down 13.16% for the day. Shiba Inu down 6.9%. Avalanche down 10%. Polygon at 78 cents, down 11.8%. Hey, I'm loving it right now. You should be, if you're a long-term investor, or even if you just like making money, you should be happy when you see discounts like this in the market. But that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.